I've had my AirPods Pro 2nd generation since December 2022 as I got them for Christmas of that year. And I've had this current case that's on them since either June or July of 2023. And that is because my dog Betty decided to chew up my previous case, which I explain more in this video. But I am once again getting another case, and this time it's not because I have to, for this case still works fine, but I plan on upgrading my iPhone this fall as I currently use an iPhone 14 Pro, and because my next iPhone is going to have USB-C, as a result, I thought just to make everything easier, so that way, because my iPad already has USB-C, just to make everything else USB-C except for my Apple Watch and my school issue iPad 9th generation, which are obviously out of my control, I figured I would go ahead and buy a USB-C AirPods case so I can convert my AirPods to USB-C. So, alright, we'll browse this box and then we'll get to unboxing. So, this right here is the MagSafe charging case, that's USB-C for AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Just says basically that information. Some more information. This is a very simple box, but this does have pull tabs, which is nice. Let's go ahead and peel these tabs now. Very satisfying. All right, and just like that, we can set those pull tabs to the side. Then we can go ahead and lift up this box, designed by Apple in California. And then we just have some basic lever. Nothing really we need. Then we have to reset them and then pair them. Oh, we have to reset them in the original case and then pair them. Okay, good to know. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. Oh, right here we have a braid USB-C cable. I already have a USB-C cable, so I'll just keep this one in the box just in case I need it for later. That's a cool addition to have nonetheless. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's peel this case open. There we go, and as you can tell, I have the new case for my AirPods Pro 2, which is low on battery, but as you can tell, we have the USB-C port, the external speakers, the lanyard attachment, and this looks like a very fresh AirPods case. So, well, as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.